Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got a quick and super useful tutorial for you. Do you want to know how to sharpen your blending stamp? Then make sure you watch this video till the end. Alright, if you have been using your blending stamp for a while, the tip usually becomes flat and wide, and for some techniques, it completely loses its effectiveness. First, you are going to need a cutter or a sharp blade. Start cutting from the top, just like I'm doing here. Try to create a cone shape and make it slightly long. Make sure your blade is really sharp, because if it's dull, it will crash and damage the soft paper-like texture of blending stamp. After sharpening it with the cutter, you'll need a piece of sandpaper to smooth the surface. Gently rub the blending stamp on the sandpaper like this, until the tip becomes sharp and clean. It's totally normal if the texture of the blending stamp starts to open up while sharpening, just like you can see here. No worries at all. You can easily fix this by wrapping some tape around it to make it firm again. Just please don't peel off the layers. It's okay to remove a little, but don't keep going. Otherwise, you'll completely ruin the structure of the blending stamp. And that's it. Your blending stamp is now sharp and ready to use. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure to check out my channel and support me. Thank you for your watching. Bye.